What food brings people together, no matter where they're from? What dish can spark laughter, stories, and memories whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village? For millions, it's pizza, a big, round, cheesy delight that's impossible to resist. With its golden crust and gooey cheese, it's a treat that makes mouths water everywhere. Pizza is more than just food, it's a symbol of fun, togetherness, and celebration. It's perfect for parties, family gatherings, or even quiet nights in with your favorite movie. Its magic lies in its simplicity and adaptability. Top it with anything you love, from classic pepperoni to pineapple or spicy veggies, and it becomes your perfect meal. From Tokyo to Toronto, the sight of a pizza box means good times ahead, promising laughter, comfort, and delicious bites to share. Pizza is everywhere: fancy restaurants, cozy shops, birthday parties, and movie nights. It fits every occasion, big or small. It's a universal comfort, a champion of happiness, and a hero of hunger, bringing smiles to faces young and old. Let's explore how this simple dish became the world's favorite food. We'll discover its humble origins in Italy, its incredible journey across the globe, and how it adapted to new cultures and tastes along the way, and why it's loved by so many people in every corner of the world. Get ready for a delicious adventure into the world's favorite circle of joy, where every slice tells a story. Our pizza story begins in Naples, Italy, a city alive with energy where narrow streets are filled with workers, merchants, and families all searching for quick, delicious meals to fuel their busy days. In these bustling streets, early pizzas were simple flatbreads topped with garlic, lard, and a sprinkle of salt, sold hot and fresh by street vendors to hungry Neapolitans on the go. The real transformation came when Neapolitans bravely added tomatoes, an ingredient once feared and thought to be poisonous. This bold move created the first tomato-topped pizzas, forever changing the dish's destiny. In 1889, Queen Margherita of Savoy visited Naples, eager to experience the city's famous street food for herself. To honor her, baker Raffaele Esposito crafted a special pizza with red tomatoes, creamy white mozzarella, and fresh green basil, mirroring the vibrant colors of Italy's flag and celebrating national pride. Queen Margherita adored the creation, and thus, the iconic pizza margherita was born, destined to become a symbol of Italian cuisine. For years, pizza remained a Neapolitan secret, cherished by locals. But in the late 1800s, Italian immigrants packed their traditions and their love of pizza aboard ships bound for America. In cities like New York and Chicago, these newcomers opened bakeries and restaurants, first serving their fellow Italians, then gradually introducing pizza to curious locals. Soon, the irresistible aroma of baking bread and melting cheese drifted through neighborhoods, drawing in people from all walks of life, eager to try this new treat. Pizza's popularity exploded, and it began its remarkable journey to conquer the world, crossing borders and oceans. From humble street food to global superstar, pizza's story is one of tradition, innovation, and the joy of sharing a meal with others. Its rise shows how a simple dish can connect cultures, spark friendships, and create joy everywhere it goes, uniting people over a shared love of good food. Today, pizza is a beloved staple in countless countries, enjoyed by families and friends at gatherings big and small. Its journey from Naples to the world is a testament to the power of good food to bring people together no matter where they are. Every slice tells a story of migration, adaptation, and celebration, a delicious reminder of our shared history. And that story is still being written, one delicious bite at a time, as pizza continues to inspire and delight people all over the globe. Why is pizza so irresistible? What is it about this simple dish that makes our mouths water and our hearts happy every single time? It's the perfect blend of chewy, golden crust, tangy tomato sauce, and gooey, melty cheese, all coming together in one delicious bite. This harmony of textures and flavors is comforting, familiar, and universally appealing, no matter where you're from. Pizza's real magic is its customizability. Meat, veggies, thick or thin crust, extra sauce, or none at all. You can make it exactly how you like it, every single time. There's a pizza for everyone, making it a personal and creative meal that reflects your own tastes and cravings. Pizza is meant for sharing, bringing people together around a table or TV, whether it's a big party or a cozy night in. The act of choosing toppings, waiting for delivery, and grabbing a slice creates connection and joy, turning a meal into a fun ritual. It's fun, easy to eat with your hands, and perfect for casual gatherings, celebrations, or just a quick bite. Pizza breaks down barriers and turns meals into shared experiences, making everyone feel included. From ordering to eating, every step is enjoyable, filled with anticipation and satisfaction. Its endless variety, delicious taste, and social nature make pizza a global favorite, loved by people of all ages. It's not just food, it's a celebration, a reason to gather and make memories. That's the magic that keeps us coming back for more, slice after slice, year after year. Pizza is pure, simple happiness, a comfort food that never goes out of style. As pizza spread worldwide, each country made it their own. In the US, New York's thin, foldable slices and Chicago's deep dish pies became icons. Brazil tops pizzas with green peas, corn, and eggs. Japan experiments with mayo, potatoes, seafood, and teriyaki sauce. India adds paneer and tandoori chicken, spicing up the sauce with local flavors. Sweden's banana curry pizza is a sweet and savory favorite. Even in Italy, styles vary. Naples has soft, chewy crusts, while Rome's pizza al taglio is thin and crispy, sold by the slice. Pizza is a canvas for creativity, shaped by local tastes and traditions. There's no single right way to make pizza. Every country's version is a celebration of their culture. Pizza truly belongs to the world. Inspired to make your own pizza? It's easier than you think. All you need are simple ingredients: warm water, sugar, yeast, flour, salt, and olive oil. Mix water, sugar, and yeast, let it foam. Combine with flour, salt, and oil to form dough. Knead for a few minutes until smooth, then let it rise for about an hour. While the dough rises, prepare a quick sauce: crushed tomatoes, salt, oregano, and garlic. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for a crispy crust. Once the dough has doubled, you're ready to shape and top your pizza. Making pizza at home is fun, creative, and rewarding. You control every ingredient, making it truly yours. Next, let's top your masterpiece. Time to shape your dough and add your favorite toppings. Gently punch down the dough, stretch it out, and place it on a tray or stone. Spread a thin layer of sauce, leaving a border for the crust. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese generously. It's the classic choice for that perfect melt. Now, get creative: pepperoni, mushrooms, peppers, onions, olives, or anything you love. Arrange toppings however you like. This is your pizza. Bake in the hot oven for 12-15 minutes until the crust is golden and cheese is bubbly. The aroma will fill your kitchen with anticipation. Homemade pizza is a work of art and a treat for your senses. Enjoy the process and the delicious result. And there it is, your homemade pizza, hot and fresh from the oven. Making pizza is simple, creative, and brings a special pride. The best part? Sharing it with family and friends. Cutting and serving pizza creates moments of connection and joy. Don't worry about perfection, every pizza you make is unique and delicious. Experiment with doughs, sauces, and toppings to invent your own signature pie. Pizza unites people across cultures and generations. Whether in Naples, New York, or your kitchen, you're part of a global family of pizza lovers. So, get creative, share the joy, and celebrate food, family, and friendship. Who's ready for a slice?